Taking a look at the FX markets today, I want to focus on the British pound today. We're seeing some further weakness play out in the British pound, and we're seeing it down on the day, right around the 1.2672 level. We did see a high of 1.2761, a low of 1.2667. And we continue to see this downward pressure on the British pound. If you look at the trend lower right now, we're seeing basically 16 out of the last 17 trading days, we are seeing the British pound lower. And again, I think the dynamics playing into the reason why we're seeing this weakness is certainly one, looking at global equity pressure. I think you're seeing the safe haven plays come into play. You look at the US dollar gaining or maintaining and gaining potential strength, as well as the Japanese yen. But really, that's the politics that's taking place right now in Great Britain. I think that's the driving force here, the uncertainty. Theresa May resigning on Friday, and it was interesting that was the one day where we did see the British pound rally in the last 17 days, but nonetheless, it was very minor, and relative to the trend, you continue to see a significant downtrend. And I think that uncertainty is going to continue to play out here, how this unfolds. It's going to play into not only what's going on with the British pound, but also how Britain is going to interact with the EU and some of the dynamics there. The Brexit situation is now certainly no more clear than it was while Theresa May was in power. So I think that's another factor playing into the recent weakness in the British pound. Also the trend, as I mentioned, we continue to see this downward trend. And now if you look at the British pound, we're testing the lows from December of 18. Now we did see that little flash crash in early January, but when you look at the general trend, we're back down to the very low end of the range. And if we see a print below 126.48, that would be a new low in this entire move for this British pound. So that's a level that I'm keeping a close eye on as we continue to see this downward trend persist in the British pound.